Hello. So in today's video, we're going to discuss about how to run Facebook catalog ads, also known as dynamic product ads. So there are basically two ways to run this, and we're going to discuss about each in detail in this video. So without further ado, let's jump into my screen and see how we can do this. So first of all, you need to go to your ads manager. Once you are on your ads manager, you need to click on create campaign. Then you need to select the objective of sales. Click continue, and you want to see two options over here: advantage plus shopping and manual sales campaign. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to proceed with manual sales campaign, but you can also proceed with this advantage plus shopping campaign. So if you want to know more about advantage plus shopping campaign and manual sales campaign, you can go to my YouTube channel and see what's the difference between both and when to and how to use each at the same time, at different times. So for now, we're going to proceed with manual sales campaign. We click on continue. Then after that, you need scroll down a little bit and you need to toggle on advantage plus catalog ads. So since it's already been turned on, so I'm not gonna touch it again. Then after that, you wanna, it's up to you if you want to select advantage plus campaign or if you want to proceed with ad set budget optimization. So for now, I want to proceed with advantage plus campaign budget optimization. And over here, you need to select the correct catalog which is connected with your website, right? So you need to make sure that you already connected your correct product set or catalog with the Facebook Ads Manager. So I have already selected this one, and then we're gonna proceed with ad set budget optimization. So once we are at the ad set level, you need to select the right objective. For example, I want to select purchase, and over here you want to select the product set that you want to promote. So if you have a lot of product sets over here, so say you have different type of categories. So for example, one category is like, for example, uh, tools. The another category is like uh, wrenches, and another category is like electrical items, and another category is like, for example, mechanical items. I'm just giving you an example. So you can create multiple product sets over here, and you can promote each at a different level of ad set level. So for now, we're gonna proceed with all products. It will contain all of the products that we have on our website. And if you scroll down a little bit, you wanna see two options over here. One is find prospective customers if they haven't interacted with your business, and another one is like retarget customers. So for this one, just to give you an idea, it will find similar people to your business who already purchased from your business or website. So this will work as a lookalike audience. And I've already recorded a video on lookalike audiences, how to create them and how it works actually. So you can, watch them on my YouTube channel. And for retarget customers, it's pretty straightforward. People who have already bought something from your website, so it's gonna automatically retarget those users and encourage them to, buy from you again. So we're gonna scroll down a little bit. So our main focus is at the ad level, since we are already discussing outfront dynamic product ads and catalog ads. So once we are at the ad level, you need to select the correct shop. If you already selected website and shop as your main objective, we're gonna put our website URL over here. And over here, so this is the main section that you need to focus on. So you need to select multiple products, or you can select like product categories over here. So most of the time, and what is the best practice is, you need to proceed with multiple products. It will automatically show different type of products as per the customer behavior. So this is recommended because Facebook algorithm and machine learning knows lots of things about people's behavior, what type of products they engage with, what type of products and offers they interacted with. So most of the time this works well. So you can proceed with this. Then after that, you need to select the catalog. So at the campaign level, we already selected the catalog. So you can see our catalog name, and beside that we have catalog ID over here. And over here you can add the primary text. So for example, I can write best tools to buy. It's just an example. You need to write the ad copy as per your own business needs. Then after that, we're gonna put the CTA. So shop now CTA works every time. Then after that, you need to make sure that it's properly showing everything. For example, I need to add website URL over, so I go over here and I copy this URL and simply add it over here. Now it will show us the products, how this gonna look like in the dynamic product section. So as you can see, this is the ad copy that we wrote. These are the product details, and the shop now CTA that we selected is showing over here. You can see it's not showing the products right now, but it will show the products in a few minutes. Yep. Let me select the right page from over here, then it will show the products. Yep. So as you can see, now it's showing the products. Beside that, it's showing the product name, and beside that, it's showing the call to action as well. So this is how customer gonna see our dynamic product ads. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is the first method that we discussed. The another method that we initially discussed is that you need to go to again the campaign level, and from here you need to turn off Advantage Plus catalog ads. So this is the second method that we're gonna discuss, and you need to go to ad set level and check that every setting is okay over here. So we're gonna change the conversion location from website and shop to only website, right? And we're gonna select the conversion of event to purchase. Then after that, you need to make sure that every setting is correct as per your own business needs in terms of like retargeting, in terms of like targeting options, country location, and attribution setting. And after that, we're gonna proceed with ad level optimization. So let me select the correct page over here. And we're gonna scroll down until we see catalog ads. So here is the Advantage Plus catalog ads. We need to select it. And after that, we're gonna select carousel because we want to show customers all of the products that we have on our website. So if we select single product, it will only show single product to a customer. But if we select like carousel, the carousel format would look like different type of images at the same time. So they're gonna scroll down and they're gonna see multiple images at the same time. So this is the best practice. This usually works every time. So you need to select carousel. Then after that, you need to scroll down and put website URL. And after that, you're gonna add a headline over here. So here are different variables that Facebook provided. So what you wanna do? So if you want to add headline of the product that is showing to the customer, so you're gonna simply select plus button, then whatever the variable you want to select. First of all, and the most important one is like website product name, because if you do not add product name, then how gonna customer know that this is the product name and this is its functionality and features. So this is the most important and normal one. Then after that, you want to click on add description. And if you want to add price, you want to click on current price. So it will show us the price as well. So as you can see, we have the product name and we have the price name. So it will be easier for customers to see like, all right, this is the product, this is the price, and this is the product title. So they're gonna simply click on it and they will be routed towards your website. Then it will be easier for us. It will be easier for them to make a decision by phone. So and after that you're gonna add your primary text over here. So best tools to buy. This is just an example. You can write your ad copy according to your own business needs. So yeah, I guess that's it. And if you launch them properly, you're gonna get them very good results because uh, you can show a lot of products, a lot of SKUs, a lot of product variations in your carousel format, in your catalog ads format, in your dynamic product ads as well. So yeah, I guess that's it. If you like the video, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you have any question regarding this video or any other Facebook or Google strategy, just comment below and I'm happy to answer. So yeah, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.